here is Kiss. The one and only Kiss. Don't make it fall. I've done some of it, but it's not all that good, so I'm gonna finish it up. This could take a few moments, so just stay there because I guarantee you I will make you happy. Guarantee it. Guaranteed. Now, I'm gonna have to do this. But this is hard. Super hard. It's so hard. There we go. That, I think, that might. You think you can kick me out of the band? Then you come in with the bass. When you think you'll be just fine, but without me, you're mine. You think you can kick me out of the band? This is gonna be difficult. Alright, I think I did it. That was kind of easy. But hard, too. Alright, let's finish this. Let's finish what we started. But you think you'll be just fine. But without me, you're mine. You think you can kick me out of the band? Let's see if I can get them on here all together. Alright, there's the glory. There's the sugar. There's the sugar honey iced tea. There we go. There's the sugar-filled honey. There's the sugar-filled iced tea. There it is. Kiss. That is sick. Well, thanks for watching. Well, that is awesome. Gotta say, that's awesome. That is really awesome. Alright, yep, that's it. I'm gonna have to wrap up this video with a sayonara and peace. Bye!